everyone, this is Ainish only on Trending Now, and today is a Monday, and my Monday has just started off on a very sweet note because my favorites, that is Zayn Malik and Louis Tomlinson, have finally posted a picture together, and they were chilling together in New York City. And as a directioner, it's my dream come true. Now a lot of more tea that has happened in the weekend and over, like today, that is on a Monday morning for India specifically, is the VMA Awards. Yes, the VMA Awards happened last Sunday night, and in India right now we are talking about it because we have Lady Gaga, who has won the Artist of the Year, along with Ariana Grande, who also won the Video of the Year award for her song that is Brighter Days Ahead. Also, we had very beautiful performances which had Sabrina Carpenter, who also stood up for all the trans people and said that we should always fight for their rights, along with Tate McRae having her debut at the MTV Music Awards, and along with we have a very beautiful tribute to Ozzy Osbourne because we had Youngblood and some members of Aerosmith who performed some of his tracks because that man was a living legend for us. And now coming to the next cup of tea, we have the Jonas Brothers, who actually collaborated with 5 Seconds of Summer. Now for all people who did not attend the concert, we had the Jonas Brothers who posted a TikTok where they just joked about if they're going to perform a song by the 5 Seconds of Summers, and in reality that really happened. We had Joe Jonas, Kevin Jonas and Nick Jonas with all the members of 5 Seconds of Summer performing on the song that is She Looks So Pretty. Now earlier we had them also collaborating with Demi Lovato and getting her back on stage. So a lot of people are expecting that they're going to get a lot of other artists. Someone even mentioned One Direction, but I don't think that is going to happen. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. And finally we have the Rolling Loud concert which is happening in India. Well, it is their debut. It's going to happen sometime in November, and the lineup has just dropped because we have Central C, who is going to come to India along with Wiz Khalifa. Now there are other acts such as DaBaby, Swali and Hanuman Kind who's set to perform, and not to forget the Indian legend that is Divine. Are you going for the concert? Let us know. And yes, that's the trending tea of the day. If you like our content, please make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
94.3 Radio 1.